Okay friends, today we're gonna make air fried crackers using these crab flavored sticks. So let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna need to open the package. And I'm going to divide them into 2 batches because I do not want to overcrowd my air fryer basket. Then these crab sticks, they are individually wrapped in plastic, so I'm gonna need to take the plastic out. Just push one end and then take them up from the other end. This. Oops. They're quite easy to slide. Okay, then next I'm going to have to unroll these crab sticks. So just tear part of them like that, then unroll them. Okay, it's not that easy. Like that. Then tear them into strips. They do not need to be uniform as long as you just tear them like this. So do the same for all of them. Tear, tear. Okay, so this is how they look like when you're done cutting them into strips. So what I'll do is that I'll sprinkle them with oil. If you don't have oil, that's okay too, but it's better to fry them with oil. Give them a toss. Okay. Then you're ready to put them into the air fryer. So I do not want to overcrowd my air fryer basket, that's why I make them into 2 batches. Please spread evenly. 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, then while waiting for the crab sticks to cook, you can start on the other batch. and unwrap them again, unroll them like the first batch. Okay, 10 minutes it's up, so let's see how the strips look like now. See, they're nice and brown, so just toss them around so they do not stick to each other. Just separate them as much as you can. Maybe should do the normal 2 minutes. Okay, so we pop it back to 160 for probably about 5 minutes. Okay, it's 2 minutes left, but I want to check how they look like because I do not want them to overburn. Okay, it's looking quite good, but there are some that are not so brown yet, but I think it's okay because if you're like me, I like my crab sticks to be crunchy and I like them to be chewy as well, so I think this is done according to my liking. So I'm gonna take this out. Okay, I'm just gonna pour the whole thing over into my plate. While I wait for them to cool, I will just place my second batch of crab sticks onto the air fryer basket. Okay. Just spread evenly. So this time I'm going to try 160 degrees Celsius, maybe at about 8 minutes instead of 10. Let's go. Oh no, 8 minutes. Here you go. So let's try how this sounds like. Nice and crunchy. try the one that's chewy. Super nice. Okay, so 8 minutes are done. Let's check the conditions. Okay, I think 8 minutes is better than the 10 minutes. It browns evenly also. Just separate them as much as you can. And they're also less sticky. So done separating them. So we cook 160 for further 4 minutes. We will be done. And we are done. Switch off. Let's see. Perfect. I'm just gonna pour the whole thing over and let it cool. Yum yum. Okay, so the crab sticks have cooled down. Put them into this container. 1 pack of crab sticks will be enough to fit this small container. Okay, so 1 pack of crab sticks. They go well with soda, iced coffee, and it's perfect with beer. So there you go for your movie night. Thank you for watching. Bye.